Now let's see how to install Python on a Windows machine. Go to google.com and search python.org. Hit and enter. Click on the first link as welcome to python.org. Click on downloads option and then Windows. You will see the first option, that is latest Python 3 release, Python 3.8.6, which is the latest version. Click on it. Again, click on downloads and click on this Python 3.8.5, that is a download for Windows. A setup of about 25 MB will be downloaded. Download this file. I have already downloaded this, so I will cancel it. Double click on this setup, and here you have to check this add Python 3.7 to path. This is important. Click on install. This will install Python. The saying setup was successful. Close it and let us see whether it is installed or not. So go to search and type cmd command prompt to open it, and here you have to type a command that is python python space dash dash version. Hit enter. Here you will see the latest whatever the version you have installed, it will be displayed here.